Hi, this is Judd with PresenterMedia. I hope you're doing well. Thanks for watching this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a 5-slide presentation in 5 minutes. So let's get started. If you're not a member of PresenterMedia and you're just kind of discovering PresenterMedia, what it's all about, feel free to follow along. You can go to the home page and go to AI Presentation Maker and just click on this little orange card right here with this cool little guy. And you're right there inside the Presentation Maker. So let's get started. I'm signed into PresenterMedia and I'm going to go to create an AI presentation, and this will take me to the exact place where you're at if you're just following along here, kind of learning about PresenterMedia. So to get started, I have the AI wizard open. So I'm just going to copy in here what I want my presentation to be about. You can just put a single line in here, maybe about, I want this to be about funnel marketing or something like that. But you can also put slide 1, slide 2, slide 3, slide 4, slide 5, and what each slide is about. And then you can go down here and select slides. I'm going to select 5 slides, and I'm going to go down to the section underneath here that says choose a general design style, and these are just kind of overall style of what these slides will look like. So curved flow is kind of more organic feel, kind of curved edges, and bold design more slashes, and classic linear is more straight edge. So I'm going to go with classic linear. And next I'm going to click Let AI pick and outline slides, and I'll be right back as this finishes up. Okay, it finished up and it gave me all the slides that AI picked for me, and it looks like it put underneath each one of these a outline of what the slide is kind of going to be about. You can edit this text if you want, like the title and subtitle here, and kind of just make some edits. If it all looks good, just go ahead and create your presentation by scrolling up a little bit and clicking the Build Presentation Preview, or down over here on the left, also click the Build Presentation Preview button. Either one works. And then right here you can select a image style you want to create the images in. If you're just discovering PresenterMedia, learning about it, you won't have access to create AI images, but you can still follow along and build your presentation. I'm going to choose stock photography. That looks good. And also up here I'm going to choose a theme color. And you can choose a theme color if you're just kind of trying out PresenterMedia, but you will not be able to save your presets. Let's go with that right there. I'm going to also click on Auto Image, which is going to automatically build the image, so I don't have to build each image individually. Okay, I'm going to click Build Presentation, and as this builds, I'll join you on the other side. Okay, I'm back and I have a preview of all my slides, and it's building all these images and put them in each placeholder right here. So you can see that it's added all these images, and that looks good and it's ready to go. All the text is in there now, and the images match the color theme of my presentation. You can see that they match nicely with the orange and the blues in there as well. So that's pretty cool how it can match, and you get a nice cohesive presentation and slides. So I got all these 5 slides all ready to go. So what I want to do is go to File and click Download PPTX. And it'll prepare your template, and then you can download it to your computer to add to open up in PowerPoint. I'm going to save that. Open up in PowerPoint, or it can open up in Google Slides, so you can present in either software, and you're ready to roll. All right, that's all for this presentation, this video about creating a presentation in 5 minutes. So get started. Get creating some presentations to save you time and make your presentations look awesome. Feel free to check out all of PresenterMedia's stuff, like the customizable animations and clip art and customizable videos. And also we have a bunch of tools too, like a calendar creator, pictograph creator, and all these different tools to make your presentation stand out, to add elements, visual elements to your presentation, to engage your your audience and your viewers. All right, thanks for watching. Be sure to like this video if you liked it. Give it a little like. Also subscribe to our channel if you want to see more videos coming out. We always come out with new videos, and click your notification bell so you can easily get reminded that those are coming out. All right, thanks for watching, and have a great day. Bye-bye.
PresenterMedia, let your presentation better, faster.